Honda Accord is a perennial favorite, offering mid-size car buyers a practical, reliable choice. For 2018, Honda is promising improvements in quality, comfort, technology and efficiency. The redesigned Accord is aiming high, and we won't know if Honda has nailed it until we get our eager hands on one, but what we know so far looks promising. For 2018, the Accord has gone on a drive, losing a little bit of height and length as well as a little weight, while getting a longer wheelbase and growing slightly wider. This means there's more interior room for passengers and cargo. Rear legroom has grown by 2 inches, and trunk space is up to 16.7 cubic feet, making it the biggest trunk in the segment. Even better, the hybrid Accord's batteries have been moved so they no longer impinge on the trunk, meaning for the first time the hybrid can manage as big a Costco run as the gas-powered version. Speaking of gas power, the V6 is gone forever, or at least for now, replaced by a turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-cylinder that makes 250 horsepower and comes paired with an all-new, 10-speed automatic transmission. It can also be equipped with a 6-speed manual, at least on the sport trim, for those who prefer to shift their own gears. The base engine will be a turbocharged 1.5-liter 4-cylinder making 192 horsepower and paired with a continuously variable automatic transmission, CVT. The new cabin was designed to offer a more upscale experience, with more soft touch and premium materials and a new user interface. A 7 or 8-inch touchscreen is mounted in the dashboard to control most of the technology. But the 2018 model sees the return of physical knobs for adjusting volume and tuning, replacing the finicky touch controls used on the current model. To complement the new, more upscale cabin, Honda has upgraded the Accord's suspension and sound insulation for a smoother, quieter ride. All Accords get an adaptive suspension that can be adjusted for either comfort or performance. Sound insulation has been added, including acoustic glass, and there's also a new active noise-canceling system. Finally, the Accord receives a host of active safety features and driver aids, such as adaptive cruise control, as standard equipment, meaning even the base trim has features that many luxury brands still charge extra for. On paper, the 2018 Honda Accord looks like a winner. It's lighter with a range of engines to choose from, a more upscale interior with more passenger space, more standard technology, and a quieter, more comfortable ride. Stay tuned for more information as it becomes available and for our full rating and review. Models and features. For 2018, the Accord will come in 6 trim levels: LX, Sport, X, XL, XL Mobile and Touring. All 6 trims come standard with a turbocharged 1.5-liter 4-cylinder engine, 192 horsepower, 192 pounds-to-foot of torque, and a continuously variable automatic transmission. The Sport can be equipped with a new short-throw, 6-speed manual transmission. A turbocharged 2.0-liter engine, 252 horsepower, 273 pounds-to-foot of torque, replaces the V6 engine as the high-performance engine option. The 2.0-liter comes paired with an all-new, 10-speed automatic transmission and is available on the Sport, XL, XL Mobile and Touring trims. The 6-speed manual is available on the Sport trim. A redesigned hybrid powertrain will be available on 5 trims: Hybrid, X, XL, XL Mobile and Touring. No official power numbers have been released for the hybrid powertrain, and no mileage estimates are available for any engine. We will update this page with new information as it becomes available. Honda has expanded its list of standard features to include a number of driver aids and active safety features. All trim levels will come standard with adaptive cruise control, forward collision warning with automatic braking, lane departure warning, lane keeping assist and rear view camera. Blind spot monitoring with rear cross traffic alert will come standard on all 2.0-liter equipped models. It's optional on the 1.5-liter and hybrid powered trims. adaptive suspension, automatic headlights, dual zone climate control, push button start, a 7-inch color information display in the gauge cluster, and a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system with a 4-speaker stereo are all standard equipment on the base LX. The Sport and X trims get an 8-speaker system, and the XL and Touring trims carry up to 10 speakers. On top of blind spot monitoring, 2.0-liter equipped Accords get LED head and taillights, proximity entry, remote start, a power moonroof, a 60/40 split folding rear bench, leather-wrapped steering wheel, heated front seats, and an 8-inch touchscreen with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay compatibility. These options can also be added to Accords with the standard engine. More detailed trim information isn't available yet, but we know that there will be quite a few more optional upgrades. These include leather upholstery, a 12-way power-adjustable driver's seat with height-adjustable lumbar, heated and ventilated front seats, and heated rear seats. Honda is also introducing near-field Bluetooth phone pairing. Other upgrades include rain-sensing wipers, front and rear parking sensors, approach lights, a 6-inch head-up display, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, 4-way power-adjustable passenger seat, driver seat memory function, a wireless charging pad, navigation and Wi-Fi connectivity. Competition. Honda's big rival, Toyota, is releasing an all-new Camry this year. Like Honda, Toyota is promising a more upscale and roomier interior and better driving dynamics coupled with more efficiency. All trim levels of the Camry also include the same suite of driver aids as the new Accord. The Mazda 6 is due for an update, but even though it's getting a little old, it still offers an engaging driving experience and, especially in its top trim, a very nice cabin that punches well above its price. There's also the recently updated Chevrolet Malibu, a comfy cruiser with a cavernous trunk and heaps of rear seat room. The Malibu, like the Camry and Accord, is also available with a hybrid powertrain. Availability. Honda says we should expect to see the 2018 Accord in showrooms this fall. Pricing. Pricing has not yet been announced, but considering some of the additional standard equipment, we expect a slight price increase over the outgoing 2017 models.